It is cold this morning. So, Bruce, good morning, YouTube. We do have a guy coming up to do a demo here on this 2424 from Brute Force behind me. And all day yesterday, I kept saying the wrong model year for this machine. I don't know what my problem was. Lack of coffee. I have no idea. But this is a 2020 model. I kept saying 22 when I don't know why. I even thought about it. Still said the wrong thing. But anyway, cold temperatures. I wanted to tell you guys about a couple of things here quick. So let me flip the camera around. I'll give you a couple of tips and tricks for a nice, even cold weather start without really torturing a whole lot of stuff. So all right, so I don't have any power up here at the woodlot, minus my light tower over there, which is actually a 6,000 watt generator as well as a light tower. So I have these little suitcase generators from Generac, and all the Brute Force diesel models do come with a heater block in it. So we have this plugged in, and it goes up in just like your pickup trucks or other pieces of equipment to warm the engine. And then, like, this was originally sold in Oklahoma, but if it was going up north or somewhere else, I probably would have put a block heater right inside the oil tank, which is something that a lot of people don't know is possible. So we have these little heaters. I think they're from Katz. This one's a Handy Heat, and all it is, it's a magnetic just heater basically. So it just sticks right on there, and then that'll warm up the tank, all that oil. So let's see if I can get the camera to fix on this. Come on, there we go. So it's right about 20. So we'll come back and check this in an hour or so and see exactly how warm we're able to warm up this big hydraulic tank. And this is not a small tank. It's got to be 30-inch square. I can back up here far enough so you can actually see it. But it's absolutely huge. So we'll see just how much heat that little block heater can actually warm up in an hour's time, because we have the guy coming, and we were just running it natural yesterday. It was a little warmer. We had to do 2 bags worth, you know, just before everything really settled in and came up to temperature properly. So, little camera shot this morning. All right, so I normally have a larger one of these, but I don't know where it is. So we were at 25 or so. Yeah, it didn't heat it up too much. Need to get the bigger one out. But let's see what this did here. Let it go through its cycles. Yes, we are waiting 102 degrees, and we have not started the engine yet. So guy will be here in about 20 minutes. We'll go ahead and fire it up and do our demo. Block heaters on a cold Sunday morning. Gotta love it. Thanks for watching. If we ever can get you a quote on something, 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me, sales@shaverequipment.com. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on everything that we have going on. Thanks for watching.